Let x1, x2, xn be a random sample from Poisson distribution with mean lambda greater than 0. So that means like we're having x1, x2 and so on xn following Poisson lambda. And we're having the statistics t1 which is I is equals to 1 to n xi, and t2 which is given as x1 comma summation I is equals to 2 to n xi. So then like which of the statistics are sufficient for lambda? So first if we consider the joint PMF, so that is product of I is equals to 1 to n e to the power of minus lambda, lambda to the power of xi by xi factorial. So which is e to the power of minus n lambda, lambda into summation xi into product I is equals to 1 to n 1 by xi factorial. So we can clearly see that the likelihood depends on the data only through summation xi. So therefore summation xi is sufficient, so therefore t1 is sufficient, and even t2 if we reconstruct it as x1 plus summation I is equals to 2 to n xi, so we will get t2 is also sufficient, so therefore both are sufficient. Now in the second question, so they have given that so t3 as x1, x2, x3. So if we consider t2, so basically in the previous one if we considered x1 plus summation I is equals to 2 to n xn, so it is getting sufficient. So in the same way, like if we consider by using t3 as well, so we can do x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus summation I is equals to 4 to xi. So this will give us summation I is equals to 1 to n xi. In the same way, if we use x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus summation I is equals to 5 to n xi. So even if we do that, this will give us I is equals to 1 to n xi. So we can see that even t3 comma t4, T3 and t4 are also sufficient. So therefore answer will be option